this will be part 3 of lesson 3.4. Apologize for so many parts. Every time an announcement's made, I have to make a new video. So, here we have 2x minus y equals 4. This is the one you should have tried on your own first. But again, to find your x-intercept, we need to plug in 0 for y. So this will be 2x minus 0 equals 4. And then subtracting 0 just goes away, so you'll have 2x equals 4. So that means your final answer would be, or final step would be to divide by 2. Those cancel, x equals 2. So that means my x value is 2 in the ordered pair, and my y value is 0 because that's what I plugged in. So my x-intercept would be 2, 0. Okay, so then I go and do my y-intercept. So again, for y-intercept, I have to plug in 0 for x. So in place of x, I'll put a 0, and then pull everything down the same way. So 2 times 0 is 0, so that goes away. So then we just have negative y. Make sure you bring that minus sign down, because that's still important. Equals 4. And if we have negative y, that's technically, there's an invisible 1 right there. So, to get rid of it, you can divide both sides by negative 1. Then they'll cancel, and y will equal 4 divided by negative 1 is negative 4. So then your y-intercept would be 0, because that's your x value. Negative 4 is your y value. Okay, so then we just have to graph each of these points. 2, 0, when I plot it, I go over 2 on the x-axis. It would be right there. And then 0, negative 4, I can stay put on the x, go down 4 on the y, and that is my y-intercept. So now, we just draw a straight edge through both of those, and this will give us the graph for this equation in standard form. So that is the graph that you'll come up with after finding the x and y intercept for 2x minus y equals 4. And that is the graph that goes with it. Okay, so make sure you remember to find your x-intercept, you plug in 0 for y, and to find your y-intercept, you plug in 0 for x. Alright, so that is the end of this lesson. Hopefully you got a better understanding of it. Again, the main points with it are, remember how to, our standard form is ax plus by equals c. Make sure you remember that when graphing horizontal and vertical lines, y equals a number means that you go to that number on the y-axis, which is running this way, and make a horizontal line. Okay, y equals, you make a horizontal line. X equals, you go to that number on the x-axis, which runs this way, and make a vertical line. And lastly, when you're in standard form, you have to find your x and y intercepts, and to do that, you plug in 0 for each to find the other intercept, and then solve to graph them. Okay? Thank you.